Okay, so we're here with Stephanie from Bob Evans Restaurants.
Yes.
Recently, Bob Evans decided to integrate social media as part of their marketing efforts, and Stephanie's going to tell us a little bit about where that decision came from and what they hope to achieve with their social media campaign.
So we recently started with social media when we launched our Barbarito promotion, which was in January. With that promotion, we tied in Facebook, so we created a Facebook fan page. We're currently up to, I think, 1,000 fans or so. It's doing really well. I mean, it's just another way for us to engage a younger audience. Of course, our audience is typically a little older, and we're just trying to get the younger audience to kind of interact with them and to interact with them in a way that we're getting our name out there and for us to be top of mind when they go out to the restaurants so they can come to our restaurants versus others, you know, in the business. Then we branched out into Twitter actually in March. We decided to do that because we saw that was an up and growing trend. Just another way for us to really fight that, you know, customer relations battle where, you know, we don't know what people are saying. We don't want to be that brand that people are saying bad things about us and we're not doing anything. So we really wanted to take it as a proactive approach to us responding and interacting with our customers in a positive way. So, you know, for example, if a customer has a bad experience at one of our restaurants, we're able to go on, you know, send it to the customer relations person that's on Twitter, who's then able to interact with that customer on a one-on-one basis, really show that we care about them and their business, and then resolve the problem in some fashion. So it's just another way for us to get out there, be interactive, be hip, it's being more proactive versus passive where you're just sitting around waiting for people to come to your website. You are being aggressive and getting out there and really just trying to interact with as many people as you can.
Okay. Is there any way for you to track the success of that yourselves? Do you offer coupons or any incentive for
Yes.
customers to get involved?
Yeah, we do use coupons. We offer some incentives. We've done several through our email marketing program, not necessarily through Twitter, though that's something that we want to test. But the barcode, you know, the coupons are another way to get people in our restaurants. Other promotions and incentives we do add to Twitter. We just try to add as much value as we can on Twitter. And we follow a rule that I learned from Northlick. They do a 70-20-10 rule, which is 70% of your tweets should be adding value. 20% should be kind of interacting with people, and then the other 10% can be self-promotional. And that was from Laura Kay at Northlick. She did a whole seminar on social media, and I really learned a lot from her as far as how you should interact with people on Twitter. So
Okay, that's very interesting. Do you have any advice for other restaurant chains or restaurants or traditional businesses who wouldn't traditionally be involved in social media? Do you have any advice for them as to where they could start or what they should do, if anything at all?
Well, I was actually, you know, going along with the idea of change is hard, and you know, I was resistant to Twitter too, and I thought, oh, this is dumb, it's just a lot of people talking and updating statuses, but you know, it's really not. Just delve into it, learn what people are, you know, learn what the newest trend is and see how you can use it for your business. If it's relevant, then do a test and see how it might work. Like, for example, we started our account and noticed a ton of interaction. People are talking about your brand. Get out there and have that conversation with them.
Okay, excellent. Well, Stephanie from Bob Evans Restaurants, thanks a million for taking the time to talk to us.